So this is a meter scale. Its length is 1 meter. Meter scale means length is 1 meter. Okay, then you have applied force, okay, to lift it slowly. Okay, you have lifted it slowly to this position. Okay, and the final position makes an angle of 120 degree with the initial position. Question is, what done by the external agent? You have lifted, so obviously you are the external agent. How much work you have done to raise this stick from this position to this position? In order to solve this problem, you will have to use the formula del u equal to minus wc. Del u, change in potential energy, equal to minus wc equal to w external. This is the complete formula. Change in potential energy equal to negative of work done by conservative force. The conservative force which is in action here is mg, and w external is the work that you have done. You are the external agent, the work you have done. So w external equal to del u, hence w external equal to del u equal, del means change means final minus initial, final potential energy minus initial potential energy. Now potential energy formula is mgh, so mgh1 minus mgh2 equal to, sorry, final is 2, initial should be taken as 1. I'll take initial as 1. mgh1 equal to mg into h2 minus h1. Okay, now what is the change in height? How will you calculate the change in height? Will you consider, maybe if you can you consider the change in height of this position? If you consider the change in height of the end of the stick, then you will be wrong, because this is an extended body. Since this is an extended body, this is not a point object, this is an extended body. For extended body, you will always consider the rise in height of the center of mass. So the center of mass is obviously the center of the stick. This center of mass has gone from this position to this position. So you will have to calculate the rise in height, and by height we understand the vertical height. Okay, do not consider this. Right. So this one, this, do not consider this to be the change in height. You will have to consider the vertical height. So I will now calculate the vertical height. You are getting 1.5 joule now. So 1 minute, I will check. So from this to this is the change in vertical height, or rise in vertical height, this much. Okay, draw a line here. Let us split this into two parts. Okay, so we'll add this plus this much plus this much. Okay, this is half meter, 0.5 meter, and this is 0.5, and this angle is how much? 30 degree now. So this is 30 degree, 0.5 cos 30, and this one is 0.5 sin 30. Okay, so a change in height, we have taken this as h equal to 0 line, means we are measuring height above this line. So the change in height is 0.5 sin 30 plus 0.5 is equal to mg 0.5 plus 0.5 into half. Sine 30 is half. So 0.5, this is equal to, mass is given 0.1 into 10 into 0.5, 1 plus half, 1.5. This is equal to 10, 10 and 1, 0.5, 0.5 into 1.5 by, no, your answer is wrong. 1.5 by 2 is the answer. 0.75 joule. 0.75 joule. Okay, you will have to consider vertical height. Okay, mg into h. By h we understand vertical height. No other height will do. You will have to consider vertical height. Okay, so change in height of center of mass is this much, which is 0.5, plus this much, which is 0.5 sine 30. Okay, so this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer.